this? Wetin be this? Wetin be this? This man.
You like what you see?
You will not be coming.
Right man, and they get patients like this. Okay, give me my phone. Give me my phone. Give my phone. Thank you very much. Because there's some right man when they say when you stop, see our camera there. It's our cameraman. Like who see as you see characters. You understand when you say this get patient. I'm not looking for get for character or right. Come on, come through. Thank you so much. After a couple years, people want to buy water, bottled water. Only fast now. Here you can buy bottled water for the patient. In the life, you must get patience. Okay? Thank you very much for patience.
Cameraman, come
Okay.
closer.
Yes, cameraman, please
Closer.
video. Yes,
People papa we get patient.
That's
Papa we get patient.
That's what they are saying.
Thank you very much for the patience. you can support us by subscribing to Classic Laughter TV. Watch our video. We're on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. We love you. Bye.
So what do people have to say like for other like others?
One thing I know about life is life is all about patience. And respect for humanity. So without respect, I don't think there will be patience. So if you have to have patience, you must first of all respect somebody. And when you stop me, the way the other man moved. So I almost got discouraged, but due to the fact that I am that type of person who respect me, and you have already explained to me that you needed 3 bites. So I decided to respect your presence before we talk about patience. So some person do not even like to look at somebody's face. So that's it. So respect and patience.
Thank you very much. Sir, what do you have to say?
Yeah, definitely. Because I've spoken more. So I don't think that I have more to add.
Thank you very much. God bless you. We appreciate it. Okay, sir. What do you have to say? Oh, thank you very much. God bless you guys.
I almost got to say it.
Okay, bye-bye, sir. Please comment on this video. Comment on this video. God bless you and share this video. Classic Laughter TV. Mama Chi Ofuaka. One love. You see that?
Say like,
Follow
subscribe,
Hero Lord also.
follow.
Hero Lord.
And
Follow Hero
please
Lord also.
don't forget
Yeah,
to
that's
I'm dropping a new
comment.
video soon.
Yes. Thank you very much.
We
This is
love
my
you all.
pet. Bye. Thank you.